Hi there, I'm Tina with Essential Partners, and this is Tina's Tips. Today we're going to talk about bites and stings. We've had some recently. Have you ever had those ant bites or bee, hornet, whatever? And that sting is just awful. It burns, as well as itching as it's trying to repair itself. Well, we're going to talk about that a little bit today. This is our daughter Taylor's leg after over 50 ant bites. I stopped counting after 50, but I got a call from the nurse's office from school and said, "Mom, I think I've had an allergic reaction." No surprise there, kid. So your mom's allergic to ant bites too. So she had so many bites, it was so swollen, but we took care of it with our essential oils. So what we did is equal parts of basil, lemon, and lavender. The basil is for the sting to go away. The lemon is cleansing. The lavender is a natural antihistamine. Then doubled up on the peppermint. So that way it didn't itch. Your carrier is either going to be your fractionated coconut oil, or you could even use water if that's all you have. But you're going to spray that on the area, and basically no sting, no itch, cleanses everything out, and no swelling. It's all good. So she even played soccer that night after having this episode during the day at school. So find us on YouTube, find us on Facebook. Got plenty more videos, plenty more tips. This is Essential Partners, and I'm Tina. Thanks. Have a great day.